Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Sicko, and as you can see right here, we have Australian dollar with the US dollar. All right, we're gonna do a quick recap on the trade. All right, as you can see, that the prediction was absolutely correct, and we are approaching some demand areas, which I'm pretty happy about. We're gonna wait for, of course, some confirmations around here for what upside movements to the up, like movements to the upside, of course. I also have a Discord, free Discord. You can go ahead, join it. First link in the description. But let's just do the recap, all right? First of all, why did I manage to take this trade? We have two trades actually. We're gonna get straight into it, okay? I'm gonna first of all delete this and let's start from the beginning. So I saw how the price was moving. I'm just gonna have this reply tool. I think on the right, yeah, after we grab a lot of this liquidity, I thought that the price would just do some type of reversal because we had this price inefficiency and I was waiting for, of course, this demand areas, all right? So, as you can see right here, first confirmation will be a break of this low, all right? I'm not looking for anything crazy right now because we're still in this trading range. Okay, I'm overall looking for this higher low, higher high, still in this trading range, even this, like this is just a small thing. Even you can buy from here on to the upside, like in particular, but this is not exactly what happened. Oh, thing. This is a 30-minute time frame, just know that. What happened right here was, as you can see, we broke through this. Was it right here? Yeah, as you can see, we broke through this structure right around there. Why do I have this Asian low right here marked up? Because look, right now if I hold to this, as you can see, um, this was the London session. All right. I'm just gonna go move it a little bit back because here we got into the entry. It was the Asian session. Tokyo, you can call whatever you want. Had that low right here marked up. A lot of liquidity below that low. Because just look at the wicks. Come on, okay. This is why I use it as a target, and it was absolutely demolished. So I was waiting for the confirmation. Of course, we had a valid. Okay, we have a valid um, order block. This, I think, yeah, it was on the 1 hour time frame. This is where I got it, and I also have mark 15% on it. Okay, what I did was, this was, I think, this is a little bit to the upside right here, then a little bit down. Also here we have this thing. So I was waiting for the confirmations around here, and as you can see, the first one we got into this trade, which was around like close to a 1 to 4. It was 1.3, 1 to 3.99 RR, which like we got taken out for like so like a little bit. And then what happened? We entered into this second trade, which is 5 to 84 RR. We entered there, as you can see, at the second like retest, never broke through the structure. I did not have my trading stop loss below that. I would have been pushing out right around here, but it was super close. I never pushed out and moved my stop loss to the break even. As you can see, what happened was I just continued to push down. And it was a pretty great day. I mean, overall, if you just like do this, if you want just, it was a great, if you like really want to calculate it, I know I just keep like running through my words, but if you want to calculate it overall, here we had a -1 hour and here we had 5.84 R. So quick maths, all right, 5.84 R minus 1 R. Why is that going to be equivalent? It will be equivalent to 4 point something like 84 RR, all right, or just risk to reward. You can basically, if you use that, and just like that, I'm just going to leave that. So if you use like what? Let's just say you use minus like, yeah, 0.25% on what? Let's just say 20K funding account, all right? Let's just say you have 0. Yeah. Actually, like I'm waiting for my calculator to load. Yeah, here we have that. You cannot see it right now in particularly, but I have it on the chart. So let's just do something. 10,000. Nah, let's just talk about like 2,000, $20,000. All right, $20,000, or from that $20,000, 0.25% is equivalent to $50. So right now, if you have $50 multiplied by what? We just delete that. So we have $50 multiplied by 4 point. What do we have right here? 84. that will be equivalent to $242, right? From for just these two trades. And this is a pretty, for example, the 0.25 risk. Okay, you just like one fourth of a 1%. Imagine you had like 1% risk. Like if you risked 1%, you will like you could have four. But this is about this recap. All right. I think that I managed to make this video a little bit longer. But again, I have a Discord in my description. Everything's free. You can go ahead, join it out. We have a community out there. Have a great day for the rest of your day, and bye.